Okay, so the first thing, whenever we are talking about trigonometry, the first thing is Pythagoras theorem. First of all, what is trigonometry? Yes, remember Ali or Ryan? What is trigonometry? Yes, no idea?
Sir, trigonometry, sir, is of angle of a angular relationship of a planar of three-dimensional figures.
Not the three-dimensional figure. These are all the two-dimensional figure. Say, trigonometry is basically consist on two things. What two things? Number one is tri, then gono, and then metry. What it means? Tri means three, gon means sides, and metry means steady. So all those studies in which we discuss three-sided shape. So all these three-sided shapes are called what? Trigonometry. So whenever we are discussing any type of triangle, this is the topic of trigonometry, right? So the first thing what we are going to discuss, this one is right angle triangle with three sides. Yes, always connected. Okay. So in Pythagoras theorem, whenever we have any two sides of a right angle triangle, then we can find the third side, right? So in this one, you can say question number 1, you have 1, 2, and 3 sides. Out of these 3 sides, we know 2 sides, and the third one we have to find. Now, let's know about the names of this side. In this one, the most important thing, the side which is opposite to right angle. जो भी right angle के सामने side होती है, this is called hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle, this is called hypotenuse. And other two sides you can call perpendicular and base. But if you will change the name of perpendicular and base with each other, there will be no issue. There will be no problem. Okay? Because what is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? This one is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is the formula. For what? This is the formula for any triangle, right angle triangle, in which the sides are involved. I repeat, there will be no involvement of angle, only the sides are involved, then we will use this Pythagoras theorem. Now, how we will use this Pythagoras theorem? In this one, straightforward, we have to find the value of x. So x is hypotenuse. So what we will write? We will write x square, it means hypotenuse square, is equal to base I called 6 square plus the perpendicular is 8, this one is 8 square. Here you can see, if I write 8 as a place of base and 6 as a place of perpendicular, there will be no effect, there will be no problem. Now we have to find x square. It means x is equals to under root 6 square plus 8 square. So what it will be? Yes. What this value will be, Rayan Kamran? You all must have the calculator, so you can quickly calculate the answers.
10. The x value is 10.
Value is
10.
10. He is saying the value is x is 10.
Sir,
And
एक
he says
question है.
the answer will be in centimeters, so this will be in centimeter. Is this one
Sir,
clear, first of all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now question.
सर जो आपने जब समझा रहे थे ऊपर, तो सर आपने क्यों नहीं वो अंडर रूट लगाया आपने?
कहाँ पे?
Sir,
Because it was h square, and you can see here I didn't put the square. In this one I didn't put the square because I removed the square, so the root will come on the other side. यहाँ से मैंने square हटाया तो दूसरी तरफ root आया. Yes. Any other question? Similarly, you can see in question number 3, what is hypotenuse? Yes, Zainab connected. What is hypotenuse?
Yes, sir.
Hypotenuse is what in this case? Question number
So
3.
question 3,
Yeah.
6.
6. The hypotenuse is 6. And here you can say this one is perpendicular, this one is base. And again, there will be no problem if you exchange the name of perpendicular and base. What will be the answer? In this case, you will write, again, you will write the formula hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is 6. You will write 6 square is equal to x square plus x square. 6 square is become 36. X square and x square become 2x square. Am I right? Now 2 is multiplying with x square. On the other side, it will divide. So 36 divided with 2 is equals to x square. 36 divided by 2 will be what?
18.
18 is equals to x square. Yes, Rehan. When I remove the square, the root will come. Under root 18 is equal to what?
4.24.
He is saying x will be equal to approximate 4.25. Terminating decimal or continue?
Terminating.
Okay, it means it will finish after this 5. There will be no further number.
ये 4.2426 है.
Okay, so when you round off, it will become 4.25.
Okay.
Okay. Now, similarly, some composite questions be there, like question number 5. In this one, you have to solve 2 triangles. So always you have to assume those triangles first in which you have known values. For example, in this one, you will solve this smaller triangle first of all. I took this triangle only. This one. What I made it red. So here in this one, hypotenuse is 7. So 7 is square. Perpendicular, we call it y. We don't know this. We give the name by ourselves. This one is perpendicular and this one is base. Perpendicular is y square. Base is 3 square. So see, in this case, you have to find the perpendicular. So you will shift this 3 on the other side. This 3 will go there. So 7 square minus 3 square is equals to y square. And when you have to find the value of y, you will take the value, other value under the root. 7 square minus 3 square. One important technique what I always share, that try to manage the question first of all and use the calculator once at last. So here you can see I manage all the values. Just write this complete value in your calculator and tell me what is the value of y.
सर 3 को ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे ना.
हाँ 3 भी रूट के अंदर ही आएगा. नहीं
सर
3
आप फिर से
ब्रैकेट.
repeat कर देंगे?
First
क्योंकि
tell
मेरा
me what
net
is the value of this one.
6.32.
6.32 she is saying. 6.32 will be there. Right?
Yes, sir.
6.32 will be there. Okay?
6.32. Yes.
Yes. 6.32. Agree everyone?
सर आप फिर से रिपीट कर देंगे क्योंकि सर नेट का मसला हो गया था अभी.
I will share the video, no problem. If you have the problem with the net, I will share the video of recording. You can go through with it again. Now, here another last question of this one, question number 10. In this question number 10, you can see the more complicated values are given. Even that hypotenuse is easy. This one is hypotenuse. This one is base. This one is perpendicular. Right. So in this one, hypotenuse is 25. You will write hypotenuse square is equal to base square. It's better to simplify first of all this bracket. When we simplify, what it will be? 4x plus 8. This one is exam style question what I am solving for you. This 10 is important question, right? This one is base square plus on the other side you have perpendicular, which is x plus 3 whole square. like this. Now you will open the bracket of x plus 4 whole square. Even if you don't know the formula, what is the formula of two values having the square? A plus b whole square. This will be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? A means first value, b means second value. By this you can open, or if you don't want to open by this, you can write this bracket 2 times. Yani 4x plus 8, 4x plus 8, and then multiply. 25 square is what? Yes. Calculate and tell me. 25 square.
625.
625.
625.
Yes.
625. Now open the bracket of 4x plus 8 whole square. What it will be? It's up to you. You can write by writing twice or by opening with this formula. Or if you say I will solve,
16x square.
this one is a square plus 2 times of a and b plus b square. And then this one is the expansion of what? This one is the expansion of the first one. All this one is the expansion of this part only. This whole square formula. Now open the second formula. X plus 3 whole square. So I write this plus sign. A square plus 2 times a and b plus b square. Now write all these values together in one line, then it will be a quadratic equation. I am giving you time. Try to solve this by yourself and tell me what will be the quadratic equation when you open and simplify that thing. Yes, Aves.
All these three lines together.
Two lines together. The first one, yellow one, and then this green one when you expand it. 4x square, it will become, okay, Rehan, you tell. When you
4x square
expand,
is 16x square.
it will be 16x square. That 2 times 4 times 8, you said 64 times
Yes.
x plus 8 square is 64. That was the yellow part. And the green part, x square plus 6x plus 9. Yes, am I right? Or any contradiction you have? Now x square with x square you will solve. 6 to 5 remains same. 16x square plus x square. It is 17x square. 64x plus 6x. It will be 70x. 64 plus 9. It will be 73. Right?
Yes, it's 73.
After that, 625 also you have to bring it here. So it will be 17x square plus 70x plus 73 minus 625 is equals to 0, because on the other side it remains 0. Either you will write on the left side or at the right side. Both will be same. 73 minus 65, what it will be? 17x square plus 70x, then minus 625
552.
minus 552, Rehan said. Minus 552 is equals to 0. Everyone is agree on this equation?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so this one is a quadratic equation. Put this quadratic equation in your calculator. I hope that you all knows how we solve the quadratic equation with the calculator.
Well,
And tell me
x4
the value of x.
x4 or minus 8.1
X4 and minus
minus
8.12.
8.12.
He's saying these two answers are coming when you put this value in your calculator.
सर मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा सर, आपने किस तरह बताया था?
Shift
यस
5 3. Then put the value of A, B, and C. That's why I was telling my dear, keep practicing. If you will not practice, you will start forgetting whatever you have done.
सर, शिफ्ट के बाद सर शिफ्ट
Shift C 5 and then 3. Now, remaining one. Agree with this answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this one is a short recap about Pythagoras theorem, and it's some of the question. Now some of the word problem also be there. Just like you can see this question number 15. Find the length of the diagonal rectangular box of length 12, width 5 and height 4. So here you have to find this length. You can see this length is inside one. So first you will consider this triangle. This three-dimensional triangle you will consider like this, right? And in this three-dimensional triangle, what you have? This side is 5, this side is 12, height is 4, you know that. With the help of this 5 and 12, first of all, you have to find this side. I call it A, B, C, and the back side one is D. So we have to find this length AC. So I draw this triangle A, B, C, and D. So we have to find this line AC. The AB length is 5, although I make it the larger one, it is the smaller one. So it's better I will draw with the same manner. It will be easy to understand for you. Here A to B is small. This one is A, this one is B, and this side is C. You have to find this line AC. AB length is 5, BC length is 12, and this length, I call it X, you have to find. And obviously, this one is a right angle triangle. So what's the thing you will do here? Again, whenever you have three sides of a right angle triangle, you will use Pythagoras theorem. So X square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. So tell me what is the value of X? Yes, everyone.
सर 13 आ रहा है.
X 13.
Yes.
He is saying
13.
X is equal to 13. Everyone is agree?
Yes. 13.
So X this side is 13. Remember that this X side is at bottom on the ground. But we have to find this inclined height, which is increasing from point A. Point A is ground side till this point. Let me call it Y. Till Y. It is inclined, increasing towards this height. So now I will draw this 3D style shape. This one is A, this one is C, and this one is Y. AC, you have just calculated 13. C and Y is the height, which is 4. And now you have to find this AY. You have to find this length AY, and I call it, let's suppose I call it Z. This side Z you have to find. And again, this one is a box, so this corner will also be 90 degree. So again, for the Z, you have to write this formula. Z square is equals to 13 square plus 4 square. So quickly tell me what is the value of Z then?
सर 13.6.
He says 13.6. Yes, guys.
Yes. Yes, sir. It's correct.
Everyone agree? 13.6.
Yes, sir.
So you will find the question like this. In this one, whenever you have to find any of the one side from the right angle triangle in any of the manner. See some of the question, like one of the question I show you. Just like this question number 13. A ladder having the length, its length against a vertical wall. So this one is the ladder. The ladder is here. Length against a vertical wall. This one is the wall, vertical wall here. And is 2 meter at the distance, 2 meter distance is here. He says the ladder height is 4 meter, it means this side is given, and how far up, it means the height of the wall, this is x. This one is the right angle triangle here. So just these type of questions you will face in case of Pythagoras theorem and its application. So any of the question related with this in this quick review? Yes, guys.